Happy Monday, guys. Happy Monday. Today I'm not in the mood. I'm feeling a bit down, so I'm just cooking something simple. I'm just cooking like cauliflower, and I've got some prawn here seasoned already. My seasoning, bell pepper, onion, tomato, and then this is my oil. I'm gonna turn on the fire and cooking some, I don't remember what they call, but vegetable, and then steaming some white rice. So this is it. So I'm gonna do this like curry. So I'm not gonna put the curry on this. I'm gonna burn the curry on the oil. So I'll show you in a second. Yeah. So this is me burning the curry in the oil. Then I'm gonna put some garlic paste in it as well. So I put in the prawn in it. So now I'm stirring it up. When it gets kind of color, I'm gonna take it out because I don't want it to dry out too much. Then I'm gonna fry down the seasoning them and everything, then throw in back the prawn. That's it. So as I can see, I take out the prawn. So now I'm gonna put in the seasoning them. So the prawn them are over here, and that was my garlic paste. And then I'm gonna throw in my broccoli, my cauliflower in it as well. So I'm going to take out these off the inner because I need it in the vegetables. Left off around 4. I don't know, let's give it some veg. And that's why I'm doing everything in this. I'm just gonna leave this to steam down a bit. You know, the broccoli, I'm steaming them. I don't want them to too much out now. I need it to be chewy. So that's it. I'm gonna cover the pot a bit. So guys, this potato I don't know now. So this okay now. So now I'm gonna throw back in the prawn. After some need a lot of vegetable in it. Wow. You have to stick to one, some while can do different stuff. And this with the white rice. What is this? I don't remember they on the bag. So into the hour. I'm gonna leave that for a couple seconds. I'm gonna take out all the sauce out of it. I cover it up and leave it for a couple seconds and lock it off. So guys, my rice is done. So it's finished. We can back it off. And then this I'm done. I'm not gonna leave it in it too long because you don't want it chewy. So I'm gonna like it as I'm gonna share it now. This is my prawn. Oh yeah, with Brussels. I just looked at the bag earlier and then we just don't forget about it as well. So it's Brussels. So the green one is Brussels. It's something that I never used to like when I was a child, but you don't know. As you grow up, you get to know stuff and do stuff and eat stuff. Okay, so this is my white rice and my Brussels, cauliflower, and prawn curry down. Okay, this is my Monday. Happy Monday, guys.
I'm trying to win, so I put this shit in full gear. I've been grinding for some time so I can lose it. Try to hate on my ass, I switch lanes on